Welcome to this video on how to create and manage parts kits in DealerTeam. A parts kit is a pre-packaged group of parts, labor, and/or miscellaneous charges bundled together to be easily added and sold on a deal or repair order. Let's get started. From the app launcher, go to Parts Kits and click New. In the first section, enter a kit name and description. Next, you can enter a kit category, subcategory, and manufacturer to help filter and organize your kit. The rate type controls how labor rate is determined. Sell on deals must be checked for the kit to be available on deals. If your kit does not include labor or parts items, you can manually enter a kit price. Otherwise, the system calculates the kit price automatically by adding the total extended list of all kit items to the labor sale amount. Next is the labor section. If a standard operation code is assigned, the system will automatically generate a service job line when a delivery repair order is created from a deal. The conversion section is used to link a parts kit to a specific vehicle or equipment conversion process, allowing the system to associate the kit with a defined model, ramp type, location, or operation. Once all required fields are complete, click Save. Your parts kit has now been created. Next, let's add kit items and miscellaneous charges. Under the Related tab, click New to add a parts kit item. Each parts kit item must reference either a parts master or a misc charge master. If you're using a physical part, use the lookup to select the parts master and enter a quantity. The system will automatically calculate extended costs and extended list based on the quantity and pricing stored in the parts master. Otherwise, you can enter the values manually. As you add kit items, the information section updates automatically. You'll also see updated cost and gross figures. Now let's add a miscellaneous charge. Only miscellaneous charges with a flat amount and a base charge equal to quantity can be added to a kit. If you need to override pricing, you can enter a sales cost and sales price. When these fields are populated, extended cost and extended list are calculated using those values. Click Save and repeat the process to add additional items as needed. The kit price will always equal the sum of all kit items extended list plus the labor sale amount. And that's it. You now know how to create and manage parts kits. Thanks for watching.